Right, it's getting dark, so that's where they're going to be raising the bomber shortly. Unfortunately, it's now 20 past 9 and it hasn't been raised yet, so we're losing visibility. So let's have another look around. This is where the Goodwin Sands are. There's the Isle of Thanet over there. There's the nice lights. It's getting dark. The sun's been setting just over the top of these houses. This is Deal in Kent. Over there's some nice, wonderful fields and things. There's Deal here. There once more is the crane.